here at Tilden Park merry-go-round. I wanted to show you today the zebras. So we have two zebras going around in the merry-go-round. So is one here that is not painted. We are not doing any restoration in the zebra yet. And I wanted to show you the condition of the paint. The wood is a little damaged. The paint with the time and the lights get a little yellow. I give it like a little tone, like an antique tone. As you can see. All right, and I'm gonna also contrast this video with the painting and the restoration and the varnish with the new zebra. And you're gonna see how different it looks. We're fixing the color on all the wood marks it has, so we can keep it with us for a long period of time. All right, okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone. Deanna is currently working on our beautiful zebra, and we are laying down first the white coat. As you can tell, she's worked on the body from the back half, the rear, and she will continue working throughout. But as you can tell, the white has just been faded over the years and has a little bit more of an off-white tone. And where Deanna is touching is that nice and new egg white, which is looking nice and pretty. Our beautiful zebra getting its new coat. It's gonna look nice and pretty for you guys when you come back. Hey everyone out there. Just wanted to give you a little update from this morning to what we are now. Deanna has worked all the way through the entire body, through the rear, up through the chest, through the body, and down through the legs. It's looking so good. Deanna has done a fabulous job with touching up the white part of the body. And then tomorrow, we can't wait to show you a video of her doing the black parts. Looking forward to updating you then, but I just wanted to show you from where she was this morning to now this afternoon. She's done a fabulous job finishing that up. Look at that. Have a great day, guys. And I can't wait for you guys to enjoy everything here when we open back up. Stay safe. Stay well. Hello everyone, we're here at the Tilden Park merry-go-round. I wanted to show you guys Deanna's amazing work on the entire body now. As you can see, before it was just more of the back end of the white. Now the entire body is white. She will be finishing up with the black tomorrow once the white dries. But it's looking nice and pretty. Deanna currently is working on this area right now on the hoof, in the back hoof areas, but it is looking very nice and neat and clean. And we'll update you when she's worked on the black, but the white is just looking fabulous. Before it was more of an opaque white. It was definitely had some brown tints to it, but now you got that nice eggshell white throughout. It's looking beautiful. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well today. Deanna is currently working on the black stripes on the zebra. She's worked on that rear right leg, and she's now connecting the tail area where we have done some woodwork and wood fixing on the zebra. There were some cracks in the wood, and we went ahead and fixed those. She's fixed that. We painted the whole thing white. It looks really good. There was a yellow slash kind of almost like a brown tint to the old one. It hasn't been touched up in almost 5 years, so it really needed that body touch. And just wanted to show you guys and keep you guys updated. It's looking really good. Hello, Deanna. And and we will update you when she's starting to work on the stripes up on the front half.